This is problem number 15 from the June 2015 Algebra Regents exam. We're given two functions, f of x and g of x, and we need to find out at which value of x is f of x less than g of x out of these four options. And so because this is multiple choice, we can kind of plug in each of these values of x and see which one of these makes this inequality true. Okay, so we'll test out the different values of x. We'll try -1, 2, -3, and 4, and see what happens when we replace f of x with those numbers and g of x. Okay, so f of x is 3 to the power of x. So if x is -1, 3 to the power of -1 would be 1/3. 2, so 3 to the power of 2, that's 9. And then 3 to the power of -3, that would be about 0.03704. And then for the last one, x value 4, 3 to the power of 4 is 81. Now let's compare that to g of x, which is 2x plus 5. So if x is -1, it'd be 2 times -1 plus 5. That would get us -2 plus 5 is 3. If x is 2, it'd be 2 times 2 plus 5, which is 9. And then if x is -3, 2 times -3 plus 5, -6 plus 5 is -1. And last one, we would do 2 times 4 plus 5. That's 8 plus 5, which is 13. Alright, so now we need to figure out which one of these gives us an f of x value that's less than g of x. And it looks like it is the first one here, because 1/3 is less than 3. And that's the only one out of these four that work. So x equals -1 is our correct answer. Alright, I hope that was helpful, and thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.